If you're a home service pro like a plumber, roofer, lawn care provider, or any other contractor, then you'd benefit on making sure that your website ranks on Google for related searches. But how do you actually do that? Well, start by creating a Google My Business listing and filling out as much of the information as you can. Then make sure that you have a website. List all of your services on separate pages and then submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. It sounds scary, but it's easy. It takes like 10 seconds. Just Google how to do it. Next, use a free tool like Ubersuggest to find keywords related to your and your competitor's business. Then create a blog and write as many blog posts as you can about keywords that seem to be moving the needle in your industry and service area. Then expand on those blog posts with more blog posts and drill down deeper into each of the subheadings that you created for your main blog articles. After that, focus on getting reviews for your business on your Google My Business listing and find opportunities to get other businesses in your area to link back to your website. Finally, right-click on the most important pages on your website, click Inspect, and run a Lighthouse report to find out how fast your pages are running and what you should do to optimize them. And to find out whether or not any of this work would actually move the needle for your business, go to core6marketing.com or use our link, enter your business information, and get a free competitive edge report.